Hi children, Namaste. Children, in my previous class, I had explained to you about second lesson, the way to school. In our today's class, let us go to the exercise part of that second lesson. Please look at your screen, all of you. If you have textbook, you can open it and sit. Yes, look at it. Read and understand. It is there in this A main. First A main, we can go to the A main now. Minnie and Vijay were excited because excited is nothing but they were curious or they were too happy. Why they were happy? Options are here. Option A, they were going to school. Option B, their parents were away. Option C, Uncle Anand was going to look after them. So, answer why they were happy and why they were too curious, because Uncle Anand was going to look after them. Option C is the correct answer for the first question. Answer option C. It is the correct answer for the first question. Okay. Next, let us go to the second one. Okay. Here. Second question is here. You can look at it. They liked Uncle Anand because he dash. Vijay and Minnie, they were liking Uncle Anand a lot. Why? Options: thought of exciting things to do. B, would drive them to school. C, was a film director. Was a film director? No. Would drive them to school? No. Then what? Thought of exciting things to do. Always Uncle Anand, he was thinking of that, thinking to do exciting things. Exciting things he wanted to do always. Surprising things. Okay, he was doing, and he was taking them to the different places like shooting or to the parks or to the movie, so that those children, they liked him most. So answer is option A. Option A is the correct answer for the second question. Third one, Minnie was upset at the idea of missing school because she dash. When Uncle Anand told to those children, today you can take a holiday and we can go to see the vintage cars at India Gate. But Minnie was not ready to take a holiday. She was upset. Upset means sad. Why she was sad? Three options are here. One is he had to play a football match. She had to play a football match. That is why she was upset. Second, did not want to go for a car rally. She don't want to go for a rally like that they said. Or third one, he had a test that day. Which is correct? Yes, option C is correct here. Option C is the correct answer for third question. She told that I have a test today, so that I will not take holiday. Like that she said to her uncle. So option C is the correct answer. Last one. Uncle Anand, fourth question. Uncle Anand questioned the children's directions because he dash. He questioned about, then they were telling turn left, turn right. Then he told that, are you correct? Are you okay? Are you telling correct way? Like that he questioned his children. Why? Why he asked like that? They asked, here are three options for that. First one, thought they were going the wrong way. Second, did not like to take directions. C, not a confident driver. He was not a confident driver. Was he confident driver or not? Yes, he was confident driver. Second, did not like to take directions. So he was taking directions how those children were telling. So it is okay. Then third one is thought they were going the wrong way. He thought that when they were telling turn left, turn right, he thought that maybe these are telling the wrong way. So maybe school is nearby to this gymnasium here only, but these are telling the different way. So that he asked them, are you sure? Is this way is correct? So like that he was asking. So option A is the correct answer for that question, fourth question. Yes. So the whole lesson it is in this picture. Second, B main. Trace the route Uncle Anand took to Mini and Vijay's school. How we has taken them to school? The route we have to mention here. Here Mini's and Vijay's house. They told that go to the ring road. Ring road is here. Okay. There will be a big hoarding of gymnasium. Here it is their gym or gymnasium. Okay. So they told that one to go straight and we will reach the ring road, and here you turn left, they said. Turn left and there will be a bridge. Go under the bridge and pass under the bridge. Then go to that Usha's house lane. It is Usha's lane where Usha is living. Okay, then after that they said that go to Monu's house or Monu's area and go straight to the metro station. Here is metro station and take U-turn here. Again you come back, U-turn and turn left. So it is the school, they said. Okay, turn left, it is the school. So here you just keep it in your mind that children, like this you trace in your textbook also. It is the route told by those two children. But where is school? School is just behind their house only. It is nearby to the gym. When they turned here, when they reached the ring road and turned left, instead of turning left here, if they could turn right, what happens? Directly they were reaching the school. But they don't know this. They don't know the way of school, direct way of school. That is why they were going by the bus every day, no school bus. That bus was always moving this way only. Okay, it was moving this way and it was reaching the school. That is why they did not know how to go to the school in the direct route, through the direct route. Okay, straight away how to go to the school, they don't know. That is the problem they faced here. So that is why they told this long route to reach the school. So they could turn here, instead of turning left, they could turn right. They were directly reaching the school. But they turned left and they go to the Usha's area and Monu's area. Then they reached that metro station. There they took a U-turn. Again they came to their cross and here they took a left turn and reached the school. It is the long route. So like this it happened in the story. Okay. So you can trace these lines in your textbook. Then later, C main, you can look at it. C main, you see there clearly, all of you. Number these sentences in the correct order, like that it is there. Number these sentences in the correct order. You read out those 5 sentences they given. What they given? 1. The children were excited because Uncle Anand had come to stay with them. Second, Uncle Anand offered to take them to see the vintage cars at India Gate. Third, the children missed the school bus. Fourth, Vijay said that he hoped Uncle Anand would take them to see a football match. Mini and Vijay's parents had gone out of town. So I read these 5 sentences. Which sentence it has come first in this story among these 5? Yes. First line is this. Mini and Vijay's parents had gone out of town. First sentence is this. Then what happened after they went for a journey? What happened now? Now their uncle called Anand, he came to look after them. Second sentence is this one. First sentence is the second. Last one is first. Then first one is second. Third one. What happened then? Third one is middle, it is there, no? The children missed the school bus. The children missed the school bus, it happened. Then fourth one, Vijay said that he hoped Uncle Anand would take them to see a football match. Vijay thought that maybe his uncle is taking them to the football ground to see the football match. But what happened really there? So fourth sentence is in the fourth position only, and last one, fifth sentence is this. Second one is the fifth sentence. Uncle Anand offered to take them to see the vintage cars. He thought that one too. That Vijay, he expected that, oh, maybe our uncle is taking us to the football ground to watch the football match. But what he told Uncle Anand? Uncle Anand told that he offered that to take them to see the vintage cars at India Gate. Is it clear? So first sentence, once again you can see that. Once again I will read out which is the sentence it is coming first, and which is the coming it is second, and third which is coming. Okay. So let us go to that part now. First sentence is this, second is this, third one is this, fourth one is this, and fifth one is this. Clear? Okay. Then discuss in class it is there. What kind of demon, what kind of a person was Uncle Anand? Give reasons for your answer. What kind of person he was? He was sad person, or he was one of the person one who is doing the exciting things always? Yes, he was one of the great person, one who was doing that exciting. He was great fun, like that they mentioned in the lesson. Uncle Anand was great fun. It means he was always doing exciting things. Uncle Anand, here they mentioned. Okay. And why means because he was always doing the exciting things, so that we can tell that he was excited, he was great fun. Okay, that is the reason you can give. It is one of the oral question for you. Then you can come here, word wise it is there. Moan, laugh, gasp, wail, scream. These are the words. And moan is nothing but we are calling that one as a word. So here it is there, you can see that properly. Moan, M-O-A-N, moan, and one more word is that wail. Both are having same meanings. Okay. Moan, its meaning also same. Wail, its meaning also same. Keep it in your mind, that children. And moan means what? It is nothing but low sound expressing mental or physical suffering. Okay, if we are getting mental stress or physical suffering if we are facing, at that time we will make a low sound. Oh, yo, like that we will be telling, ಏನಾದರೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ if we got injury, ಏನಾದರೂ ನಮಗೆ ಗಾಯ ಆದಾಗ, ಇಂಜುರಿ ಆದಾಗ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀವಿ, ಎಂಥ ನೋಯ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಮೋನ್. Okay. Then next word, when we will be in pain, at the time we will use this word moan. Second one, laugh. When we will laugh? When someone in happiness, they will be laughing. Someone in happiness. Okay. Then third one, gasp. Gasp is nothing but G-A-S-P, gasp we are calling it. What is that gasp? It is astonishment we are calling that. It means one more meaning for this word is taking long breath and leaving out. Like that we will be telling, when we will be tired, and when we, for example, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವರ್ಡ್ ಹೇಳೋದಾದರೆ, ಏನೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ, ಬಂದು ಒಂದು 10 ಕೆಲಸಗಳನ್ನು ಒಂದೇ ಸಾರಿಗೆ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಥವಾ ಮಮ್ಮಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಓ, ಇಷ್ಟು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋದಾ? ಸೊ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್, ನೋ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ gasp we are calling it. Gasp, G-A-S-P, gasp. Taking long breath and leaving out, gasp. Third one, next one is wail. Wail is nothing but moan only. It means low sound expressing mental or physical suffering. So that is wail. When we will do this? Okay, here when gasp, when we will do it? When someone having lots of work, there they will use this word gasp. And wail, same, when someone in pain, there only we can use wail, W-A-I-L, wail. Last one, screaming. What is the word scream? Scream means shout loudly. Shouting loudly. For example, if your brother is beating you, what you will do? You will be shouting, Papa, he is beating me or scolding me. Like that you will be shouting. No, that is scream. Okay, look at it. When someone gets beating, when someone gets beating, okay, there we use scream that word. Then this one. And F part, if you go there, you see that F main, we can use other words instead of said to make a sentence more interesting. Always we are using he said that, she said that, they said that. We are using a said. If they told something, we are telling that he said. Okay, Rama said. Sita said that she is going to forest. Like that we are said. Instead of said, we can use other words also. Which are those other words they given here? And we need to, according to those sentences, we need to use their words. First one, Uncle Anand is talking here. He is asking that, are you sure? He is asking to somebody. Then what we can do? Instead of saying Uncle Anand said, instead of saying Uncle Anand said, we can use it, are you sure? Asked Uncle Anand. Second sentence is come here. Mini is talking here. Yes, into that lane where Usha lives. She is telling to somebody. How she is, whether she is replying or exclaiming or asked or sobbed or instructed. So that we need to be. Replied means what? Okay. So then here she replied to her uncle's question. He is asking that, are you sure? She replied, yes, uncle. So it is replied is the correct sentence here. Mini replied that, so yes, into that lane where Usha lives, replied Mini. Like that we have to write sentence. Third one, Mini is saying there something. Third sentence, you see, what will we do now? What will we do now? What it is there here? Yes, here is nothing but sobbed is nothing but cry noisily. It is there. Sobbed is SOBBED. Sobbed means cry loudly. Exclaimed means cry out loudly. Loudly shouting. That is called exclaimed. And instructed. So here what is the correct answer? That cry noisily. It is considered sobbed. Third sentence is sobbed. What will we do now? Sobbed the Mini or sobbed Mini or Mini sobbed also we can tell it. What will we do now? Sobbed Mini. Third one. Fourth one. Vijay is saying, now take a U-turn past the metro station. Past the metro station, you take the U-turn, he is saying here, Vijay. Whether what he said, he told to his uncle. It means it is instructed. Okay. He instructed. So then, last sentence you can look at it. Mini and Vijay, they are both telling, but that is our bus route. When Uncle Anand told that, why you were told this long route to reach the school? Instead of taking left from the ring road, we could take right turn. We could have reached the school earlier, no? So why you were told like that? He told. Then, so those Mini and Vijay shouted like this. But that is our bus route. We only know that way, they shouted. So it is considered as exclaimed. Exclaimed means cry out loudly. Both together they cried out loudly. But that is our bus route. We only know that way. Like that they shouted. Then there are no questions and answers for this lesson. I prepared and I am going to give you now. These are the questions. Who was Mr. Anand? Anand was Mini and Vijay's uncle. Second, why did Mini and Vijay not ready to take holiday? Uncle Anand told them to take holiday when they missed the school bus. Then Mini and Vijay were not ready to take holiday because Mini had a test and Vijay had a football match on that day. That is why they were not ready to take holiday. Third one, Vijay why did Uncle Anand take children to the India Gate? Uncle Anand did take children to the India Gate to see the vintage cars. Okay. these are the questions. After this class I will share these all the questions and answers to your WhatsApp group. You can take down. Then this is the fourth question. Where was the gymnasium? Where was the gymnasium? The gymnasium was near the ring road. Near the ring road. Fifth one. Why Minnie and Vijay took long route to reach the school? Minnie and Vijay took long route to reach the school because it was their school bus route and they knew only that way. They did not know how to go to school directly or straight away. That is why they took this long route. Okay, these are all the questions and answers. Until this, with this I am going to conclude my today's class. In my next class, I am going to explain about those rest of the things which are in the exercise part. Okay, take care all of you children. Please take these questions and answers in your CW. I will share to your WhatsApp group. Write in CW these questions and answers, and which are there that points A main, B main, C main, D main. Those are all the things you can write in your textbook. Okay, write in textbook. Only questions and answers you write in CW. Okay, have a nice day.